Yo, what's up, man? It's your man Gospel Man checking in, man. I got my man Kevin over here, man. You know what I'm saying? And we in his apartment, man. You know what I'm saying? So all them rumors y'all got out there, y'all can just kill that. You know what I'm saying? My man still repping Christ. Say something to him, man.
Hey, let me tell you something. In all of this, I was glad when I even heard about all those rumors, because that Paul says in the gospel, he said he gloried in his infirmities. To know that the Spirit of the Lord rests upon him. They called Jesus a wine bibbler. They called him all kinds of things when he was standing around hanging out with the sinners, the Pharisees and the Sadducees did. You know what I'm saying? So what I do is I smile on it anymore. I don't say, well, you didn't see me doing this, you didn't see me doing that, because I don't even care, because nobody owns no heaven or hell but God. None of y'all can send me to heaven or hell.
Amen.
So I don't pay no attention.
So you know what the words say, iron sharpens iron, man. It's one man sharpens another. So that's what we doing right now. We sharpening each other, man. And to all the naysayers, man, we gonna pray for you.
That's right.
Gospel Man out. Peace. God bless.
Oh, yeah.